you don't know who I am, my name is Nicole Chain, coming live at you from Ontario, Canada. Okay, so there's little girls running around. They're gonna pop up and say hi occasionally. Hi. There you go. There's a hi. So this video is gonna be a sausage cabbage casserole that we love. We are currently rebooting, but I love to do meal prep while we are rebooting. Go stay right now in the other room with Daddy, please. No. But I love to do meal prep while we are not eating. Well, the girls are eating. But this is when I get like all my casseroles made and everything. We stick them in the freezer, and then we have like meals for like 2 weeks. It's like amazing. So for those who like want to know how to meal prep, that's how you do it. Okay, make a casserole every meal while you're rebooting, and you're not gonna eat it, so you stick it in the freezer, and you got like 2 weeks worth of food after. Oh yeah, I got all the little tips here. Okay, so currently right now I am sauteing vegetables. I got cabbage, so I did a whole head of cabbage. Okay. And then I cut up a tomato. We diced a tomato up, and we diced up one bell pepper. We chose orange. You can use yellow or orange. Hey Tina, how's it going? And I have, I think it was a quarter onion, and then 2 cloves of garlic, and they're all in this dish right here. Okay, and that's just what's sauteing right now. So when you pop on the live, you can drop me a 1. If you're watching the replay, you can drop me a 2. And if you're new to my crazy little show I got on here, you can put new in the comments, okay? So I've been sauteing up these vegetables. I'll just kind of like lean you down a little bit there, okay? So I've been sauteing up these vegetables, okay? That's what I've been doing for the past like 10 minutes, okay? And then I turn on the video to the part where I'm going to be adding the sausage and the crushed tomatoes to the dish, okay? Look at you all popping on. Thank you all for popping on. Oh, Missy. Hey, Tina. Hey, Sylvie. How are you guys going? Gorgeous day out. Okay, we went for a walk, and it was just so nice out. Oh my goodness. And the girls didn't want to come in, but Adeline had to have a nap, so I was like, okay, you gotta come in, honey. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna add the sausage. Basically, you need like 2 cups of sausage, okay? But you can just like cut up like 5 sausages, okay? Or 6, whatever. Whatever. I'll put the written up above, like I always do. Okay? So I'll put that above. Because you know me, we don't measure things in this house. We just go like a dash of that, dash of this. Okay, looks good. That's the kind of family we are, but I always do try and make sure you have the exact recipe, so y'all can just get your casseroles all made up. Okay, cooking this, and then we're going to add the crushed tomatoes. You can use crushed tomatoes or low-carb marinara sauce. It really just depends on how you want to do it. We just used crushed tomatoes for this one. But we have used a low-carb marinara sauce or a pizza sauce too, like. Go crazy. Make up your own little concoction when you do this. So, I forgot to mention, I sauteed the vegetables in olive oil and butter. Okay? 2 fats in 1. Okay? So, we're just going to let this get all mixed together. And then basically, once it's mixed together, we're going to put it in the casserole pan and stick it in the oven. So my oven is now being preheated to 350, okay? And we're going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes, okay? And then we have a little special toppings we put on ours, okay? little extra toppings. And basically it's almost like a cabbage pizza casserole. Kind of how we make it. Because we got the sausage, we got the tomatoes. And then we're going to add some cheese and everything. Like, we're going all out here, people. We're going all out. So, are any of you guys new to keto? Are you new to keto? Don't really know where to start? If you don't really know where to start, actually, I do have a free resource, which I'll put a link to it above. It's a 30-day keto meal plan that's completely free. All you do is just grab it, and it's yours. No strings attached, guys. Like, just grab it. And it's a 30-day meal plan, and you have literally all the recipes and everything at your fingertips. I give you all the links where all the recipes, you can find them and everything. And it's not like bacon and eggs and, you know, like chicken and olive oil. No. We got like cake batter cereal on there. We got spicy eggplant and parmesan on there. Like, yeah, like I got like the real good meals on that meal plan for you guys, okay? Because that's what I do. I show people how to do keto that is like simple and easy and for the whole family. Because our whole family is keto. And that's basically what I show people how to do, is how to change your lifestyle in the easiest way possible. And also you can incorporate some meals with your family as well, right? Like this casserole my girls are going to eat too. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now this is all cooked up. What we're going to do is we're going to put it into the casserole pan. So this is just my casserole pan. I don't have a glass one because I'm not fancy, okay? I just sprayed it with olive oil. That's all I've done is to spray it with olive oil. We're going to transfer it all over into the pan here. I'm going to try and do this without burning myself, okay? Let's see if this works. Y'all can laugh at me if I burn myself, okay? Okay? Okay, let's just see. It smells like really good. Okay, so we're just transferring it over to the pan. Okay. Make sure I get all that stubborn cabbage. Okay, keep that off the hot burner, and I'm gonna angle you guys down so you can see what I'm doing. Don't mind my hand there, okay? All right, so you can see my casserole here. We're just gonna spread it out now, okay? We're gonna spread it out. So it's all nice and even. Okay, it's all nice and even. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese on there. Okay. So I shredded up some mozzarella cheese. So we're going to put some of that on there. Alright. So we're going to put some mozzarella cheese on top here. So this is basically, I guess, roughly a cup and a half of mozzarella cheese, okay? That's what this is. And then we're gonna just sprinkle on a little bit of Parmesan cheese, okay? And then then I have my parsley spice over here. And we're just gonna sprinkle some of that on. Parsley. Okay, and then we're gonna stick it in the oven for 20 minutes, okay? So, vegetable saute 10 minutes. Add the sausage and tomato sauce for 10 minutes. And then stick it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. There we go. There's my beautiful face. You can see me again. Okay, and then you have yourself a casserole. Now, I'll take a picture of it when it comes out of the oven, and I'll stick it in the comments below. And I hope you guys have fantastic. If you enjoyed this recipe and you think someone else will love it, definitely pass this along to them, okay? Because I do lots of videos like this. I do cooking all the time. I love showing people how to cook and make a simple, easy meal for the entire family. I love it. So if you think someone's gonna feel like if you feel like they need it, just pass me along. And if you are not following me and love me, slap me in the face. Slap, slap, slap on the right hand corner. Okay, there's gonna be 3 little dots. You click it, you go follow, see first, and you'll never miss one of my videos. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.